my dear friends. Welcome to ArtMagic. I'm Amelia. I hope you're having a good day, but it's going to get better. Want to do something fun? Here, let me show you some creative magic. You'll love it. So, let's go.
First, let me start drawing a circle for her head, then again another circle for her eyes. It's so cute. Wow, she looks at me. Now we draw the body and wings. It's done. It's so simple. Now we have to draw water where she can move. Pencil drawing is done. Now we start coloring. Let's go. I love to color, it's my favorite. Tell me what you like most, drawing or coloring. Enjoy the coloring and drawing. Try it at your home and school. Now you can draw it at your one. Mimi will come again to poly with you. Keep getting new drawing video. Please subscribe and watch it again. Bye bye.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.